The first ingredient you need for this cake is unsweetened apple puree. A great hack is to use organic apple puree baby food pouches. Next, you need nut butter of your choice, such as peanut or almond. Try to go for 100% without any added salt, sugar, or oils. Finally, you need cocoa powder. As always, the list of ingredients and quantities is in the description below for your reference. Mix everything together, and here's where you might need to adjust slightly. If you find that the mixture is a bit too stiff, which can happen depending on the consistency of your nut butter, you can add an extra tablespoon or two of apple puree. We're aiming for a batter that's thick but still easy to mix. Time to get this into your cake tin. Make sure you line it with baking paper first. Now, I want to share a little game changer with you. If you've ever struggled with baking paper that just won't cooperate, try this. Scrunch it up into a ball, then run it under cold water until the paper starts to soften. Gently squeeze out the excess water, and suddenly you have this almost fabric-like material that drapes perfectly into your tin without tearing. It's honestly one of those simple tricks that makes such a difference. Smooth out the top of the cake batter, then pop it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. When it's done, it should feel firm when you gently touch the top. Leave it to cool completely, then you can absolutely stop there and you have your 3-ingredient cake. But if you're feeling a little extra, you can top it with some melted dark chocolate. I went for 85% dark chocolate, which is naturally a bit bitter with a hint of sweetness. And for a pop of color, a few pistachio nuts dotted on top. You could use any other type of nut or even some fresh berries. Now I'm sure you're super curious about the texture, so let's cut into it. It slices really easily and feels soft, but still holds its shape nicely, no crumbling or falling apart. It's incredibly rich and decadent, with a hint of sweetness coming from the apple puree and a whole lot of bitterness coming from the cocoa, which isn't a bad thing if you eat it in moderation. A little slice really does go a long way. So tell me, would you be up for trying this recipe? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe because I post a new one every week, and I will catch you next time. Bye!